What's up, YouTube? This video is not really me racing, but more of me explaining to you guys what happened. So yeah, stay tuned, enjoy, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It will help me to motivate to come out more content, more things to talk about. Hit that comment too, so you guys should let me know what I need to work on and all that stuff. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Yo, some crazy shit just happened. I was driving, I was coming home, and then there was this Camaro or whatever the fuck, and a 350, no, not 350, a G35, sorry, a G35. So I was driving kind of slow, but I was chilling, you know, I was going home, nothing but, and then next thing you know, two of the car cut me off. I'm just like, what the fuck? So they cut me off, and I went on the right lane. Mind you, I was on the left lane already. So I went on the right lane, and then I'm just like, yo, what the fuck? I didn't say that, but we're at a red light. And then when the light turned green, I just smashed it. And then the Camaro, he was kind of going fast, so I was just like, you know what? So he's ahead of me a little bit on the left side, I'm on the right side. So, but the G35, man, he really wanted it. He really wanted it. So I raced him right where we're kind of behind the Camaro now. Then we raced, and I passed him, and then the lane was merging, so it was 2 lane and it merges to 1 lane. And then all of a sudden he like, I passed the Camaro because the lane it merges. I passed the Camaro already, and the G35, man, I swear he didn't want to lose so bad that he had to go on the opposite lane just to try to pass me, but he didn't pass me. Like, what? And he was tailgating me the whole entire way. And then I slowed down, you know, because traffic is coming. It's there's a bunch of cars right in front of me now, so I couldn't go anymore. But dude, I wish I could have recorded that, because how much of a dick he was driving, and his pride was so strong that he didn't want to lose. What? That was crazy that he had to go on the other side of the lane. That makes no sense. But yeah, drive safe out there, guys. But yeah, my point of the story was, I basically passed 2 cars because I passed the Camaro and the G35. But the moral of the story is that, like, the G35, how like aggressively he cut me off, and then I was just like, what? And then I switched lane to the right lane, and then there was a car, he was turning right. So now I'm in the front of the red light now, with right next to the Camaro, and then behind the Camaro is the G35. So yeah, we like kind of like, when the light turned green, we was rolling a little bit, and then the Camaro passed me because I was like, okay, he was driving a little fast. And then I noticed the light ahead of me, and the next light ahead of me just turned red. So, but then now the G35 is rolling up, so I raced the G35. So I basically raced the G35, and then I passed him. This is when the lane is still 2. So I passed him, and then I noticed that the light is gonna turn green in a bit. And then luckily the Camaro, like, he kind of braked, he hesitated. So, and then the lane is merging right there next to the light too. It's gonna merge to 1 lane. Our street is kind of weird, so yeah, it merges. And then I was just like, okay, I just went in the lane, because the Camaro, he braked, and I passed him, and then that's when the lane, right when I passed him, that's when the lane like merges. And then next thing you know, I see on my left side of the mirror, or on my window right here, the freaking G35 went on the opposite lane to get behind me, because the lane is merging, and he was behind the Camaro. So I was just like, dude, the G35 really did that, like, on some like risky shit, like on some like, I'm gonna take the chance type shit. What the fuck? But yeah, that was crazy. Like, and then it curves now. I'm like, I switched gear, and then like, now I'm slowing down, because next thing you know, I see a bunch of cars right ahead of me. But one thing I was worried about was the police, guys. Like, the police in our area, there's a lot of police that, you know, it's known to have police, basically. But yeah, I was kind of scared, but then, you know, like the lane, and then we stopped racing, but he was still tailgating me the whole entire way, the G35. Yeah, and I just went, and then he made a right into some neighborhood. I still, you know, I was still on my way home. I was just like, dude, like, in my head the whole time, I was just like, you really did that just to try to get behind me, and you think you won by tailgating me. I just slow down, bro. Like, you gotta chill, you know? You basically think you won, but you didn't. And your pride was so strong that you had to go in the other lane to try to pass me, but you didn't pass me, bro. Like, not trying to hate on you, bro, and how you drive, but that was some dick move, bro. Like, I don't know who you are, G35. I don't know who you are, bro, but that was on some crazy shit, bro. Like, I'm not hating on G35 drivers or anything, but that one guy, dude, his pride was so, like, you know, up there that he wanted to pass me so bad, and then he think he won still because he's you know, tailgating me. But dude, like, come on, we're in one lane now. There's nothing to do, and there's a car in front of me. Like, what the fuck? You know, I'm not gonna be all aggressive and go on the other side of the road. Like, that's some crazy shit, bro. Like, on some fucking Fast and Furious shit. Like, it's all in your head, bro. Let's drive safe, bro. Come on. Like, dude, that shit's crazy. That shit was crazy. I wish I kind of like recorded the whole thing, but I didn't, you know. And I hope you guys like listening to what I'm trying to say, dude. This is just, that shit was just crazy, like, you know. Yeah. Man, I don't even know why they try to race me. This car is stock. It's slow, bro. It doesn't even have a tune. It's all looks. All looks. But it drifts though. I'll tell you that. But yeah, it's slow though, I'll be honest, guys. It handles well though. It needs an alignment. I still need to fix all of that shit. But yeah, stickers and stuff. I'm trying to make it look JDM as possible, but I don't know. It kind of looks nice. I don't fucking know. Tell me what you guys think. Let me know. Nice or nice. That's alright. They're hating on me. They're hating on the kid. Look who came by. Calvin's back, guys. Calvin's back. Yesterday we were with Hector. Well, the other day.
What up, bro?
Yup, he got us some drinks.
The Bubble Man's here.
Yup. My bad for the wait, bro.
I got a car in the driveway, huh?
Yeah. Bro, this G35 trying to race me. Alright, guys, it's already late, but Calvin's going home. Probably see him tomorrow. But yeah, just do another little video for you guys right here. Yeah. He's back. Yep, he's back, guys. Yeah. What's up?
Oh, it's about to rain, bro.
Is it? Oh yeah, my windows are down. Fuck.
Here, no, all the way from over here, man.
Bro, yeah, he's crying. Yeah. So what you do?
Ain't much, man. Quarantine.
Yeah. Alright, guys. I'm with Calvin. Today I'm gonna be removing some yellow oxidation on my headlights. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this metal and aluminum polisher by Mothers. That's what it looks like right now. The other side too. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it, but in person you guys can see it. Yeah. I'm gonna do it on my dad's car too, see if it will work or not. Put it on this thing. Just keep rubbing on it, I guess. If you have a clean enough rag, you can actually see the yellowness come off the rag. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looked way better than before. I should have got a before and after picture. It's okay. That's what it looks like, the rag. Yeah, pretty yellow. But yeah, that's what it looks like now. After I didn't clean it perfectly. It was just a little rub. But yeah, it looks better than before now. Before it was like dry and yellow. Now it looks all like smooth and shiny again. But you can still see the yellowness, the yellow tint on there. But yeah, I kind of didn't record myself cleaning it, but look at this side compared to this side. Like, you don't need to sand it. All you need is some mothers. Yeah. Look at this shit. Look at this. Look at this. But yeah, catch you guys. Look at it now and remember what it looks like after I put this on. So just a little dab like this. And we'll just go like this. Just try to like scrub it off. Scrub off the yellow tint. Yeah, my dad's gonna drive it. He's gonna be like, wow, why is it so bright? So like it turns yellow, the rag turns yellow. So that's how you know that it's, getting it on the rag and shit. If I'm explaining it right. I don't know the science behind this, so yeah. Look better? Looks better. Alright guys, I went over it again, but the second run looks way better. Yeah, you can kind of like see me on the reflection of the headlights a little bit. But yeah, the yellowness kind of came off, but it's gonna have to do for now. Yeah, stay tuned guys. But yeah guys, originally I got the mothers for my wheels, but I didn't know it cleans headlights too. Apparently. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what it looks like on this. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, you guys see this little water stain right here? I didn't even wash the wheel yet, but it's okay. But look, this thing is pretty cool. I'm gonna wipe it off. Looks kind of better. It's so shiny again. Compared to this side, compared to this side. It's crazy. It's freaking crazy. Yeah. It's not perfect because I still need to wash the car, but look, I barely put any. And this is like, from months of not washing the car. So yeah, it's pretty dirty. And this right here. Alright guys. Calvin's gonna get a rolling shot of me. I don't know, I just want one so bad, but not really a rolling shot, but an exterior view of what the car looks like while it's moving. Yeah.
Hop in.
Go. Let's go. So like we've been on everyone's car, Calvin and Hector's car, but we have never ever drove in my car while someone's in there recording me, I mean. But yeah, because I'm the one that's been recording. sorry. Yeah, we're in a house chilling with Calvin. Yeah, man. Can't really do much outside. Can't really go anywhere. It's quarantine bullshit. So yeah, we gotta stay in. So we're just chilling now and just talking and shit. I'm in the process of editing the video too, but you guys made it this far. Hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment. It would help me a lot, guys. It will motivate me to do better. So yeah, peace. Alright, Calvin's leaving. Yeah. Cold starts.